What's going on with the price of home heating fuel? Hello, and thank you for stopping by. For my regular viewers and those of you who are new to my channel, this is not a typical video that I put up, but more of a rant. I understand supply and demand, but a couple of weeks ago, the average price of home heating fuel was anywhere between $3.09 a gallon to $3.15 a gallon, depending on which company you went with. And for a week into this cold spell, the price gradually went up, which is more than understandable. But lately, I found a big discrepancy between home heating fuel, which is a lower grade fuel, and diesel. The price of diesel at the pump is way less than the price of home heating fuel. Today is January 4th, and we're into this cold spell about 2 weeks right now. And the price went from $3.09 to $3.15 to $4.19 to $3.68. That's a gallon. I'm in Dutchess County, New York State, where heating fuel is not taxed. But diesel fuel, which goes through a more refined process, is not only more expensive to produce, but is also taxed. So how is diesel fuel at the pump so much less expensive than home heating fuel? Is this a question of supply and demand, or are these companies just gouging? I mean, when you raise prices on an average $1.10 a gallon in a 2-week span, I mean, there is something wrong with this scenario. And just for example, today not only was the price posted less, but I bought a couple of gallons just to have on hand if I'm out. And not only was the posted price less, but it actually gave me a discount over here. Let's see if I can find this. I don't know what the discount was for, but I'm not complaining. Here we go. Here we go. I picked up 8.9 gallons of fuel. When you're using diesel fuel, it's not like gas. It foams up in the containers. So I didn't fill it to the top. And that was $3.659 a gallon. And the best price I got online for home heating fuel was $4.19. Here, I'll show you. It's right here. If anybody has any answer or solution to this, other than moving down south, which they're getting their share of cold weather and ice and storm right now also, let me know. Thank you for stopping by. Until next time, be warm and stay safe.